If you're making good money right now and everything on paper seems to be perfect, but internally you have lost your edge, you feel lost, you feel sloppy, you feel soft, your body is feeling average, and you seem to have lost your way. You've let the pursuit of business growth become the biggest burden that you're bearing because it's pulled you away from living life in your own terms and having that strong aesthetic body you know you truly want. And it's like a quiet agitation every single day, knowing that you could be so much better, that you are quite frankly operating at only 60% of what you know to be true. And you gave up on building the man to build the business. And now that you've got this business, you feel stressed, you feel pulled from pillar to post. You don't really feel like you're in control of yourself anymore. And that's put you in the worst stage of your existence because you've got all this external gratification from the cars and money, the respect. People are praising you. Your family are telling you you're doing good. But guys, good is not acceptable. Good is the opposite of great. You need to realize if you want that purpose, you want that physique, you want that productivity, you want that physical and psychological performance, it comes down to so much more than being high performance in one area business. It comes down to being high performance in every single aspect. And you need to realize the longer you coast, the longer you drift, the longer you run away from the harsh reality, which is you are your own biggest asset. And the longer you sleep on your body, your health, dialing in your mindset, having a routine that really puts your energy and frequency in a world class position, the longer you will be pulled out of full alignment with your true self. You will be lacking the confidence, you will be lacking the conviction, you will lack the frame because you've sold yourself short chasing something that doesn't even fully fulfill you. And that's where we need to approach this from a standpoint of what do you truly desire in this life? When you look at the grand scheme of your life, who you are, what you want, where you're going, what does success truly look like to you? You probably look at it and you see the money, you see the body, you see the family, you see the leadership, you see the respect. You walk into a room and your presence, your aura, your charisma says 1,000 words without you having to say a single one. People know your standard, people know your value before you even open your mouth. And that comes from having the physique. And that's exactly what I was for a long time. I'd built success, I had a thriving gym, a great online PT business. I was getting great results. I was driving the car that I'd always wanted. I had an amazing apartment, the best new apartments in town. I had the relationship. I just got engaged, but I dropped the ball. I'd gotten soft, weak, lethargic, fat. I was regretting every single day when I put my head in the pillow because I knew I was binge eating. I had all these vices, smoking, alcohol on the weekends. I was coasting, guys. I was letting my standards drop because I felt that success from the outside was enough to validate me internally. But it was the exact opposite. It was the thing that was burning me more than anything else because I came to the realization the day I got engaged, put the ring on my partner's finger, kneeled down, done the do. I had a moment. There was a video that was taken where my gut was hanging over my shorts. I had soft chest. I just didn't feel like me. I lost that je ne sais quoi, that aura, that charisma, the reason why she came to me in the first place. And I was looking at my bank, I had more money than ever. I was in a beautiful place. I was in Greece, I was in Kos. And I was just like, why do I feel so unfulfilled, even though I've got everything a young 20 something could and would and should ever want? And that's where it dawned upon me that my purpose, my passion, my mission and vision in this life is to always become the very best version of me and give that man back to the world. Because there's self transcendence at the top of the frequency chart, which is when you are so skilled, so fulfilled, so aligned, so together that you can give that version of you back to humanity and serve them on a higher level. And if you manage a team, you manage staff, you're operating a pretty good business, you're an entrepreneur, high performer, CEO, exec, or even an average Joe that knows he just wants to be so much fucking better, you need to realize that building the man is a never ending quest, but you can do that once you have the system. Because right now, probably what you've been doing for so long has been the exact opposite of what you truly need to start doing today. You train and train and train 5, 6, 7 days a week. You get these little bursts of motivation. You run so hard, you diet so hard, you stress so much. And then what happens? You binge, you collapse, you unravel like a ball of fucking wool, and you can't seem to gather yourself again. So you go through these little meanders up and down of winning, losing, winning, losing. There's no consistency, there's no congruence. And that authenticity, you truly need to have, that conversation you need to have with yourself when it's like, why the fuck am I failing? Why the fuck am I failing? Well, number one, it's probably down to your ego, not investing and asking for help in someone who's already done what you want to do in the highest level, aka me. I'm very, very fucking good at what I do. Number two, you're overcommitting to a system that does not align with the life you're living. You've outgrown training like a bodybuilder. You've outgrown eating out of Tupperware. You've outgrown the grind and hustle phase of life. Now you're in a stage where you need the less is more approach. You need the peak identity OS, which is exactly what I've built for all my guys through Stabilize, Build, Thrive, and Mastery, the 4-phase ascension, which taps you in on your physique, building that lean, chiseled, high-performance body, getting you crystal clear and committed on your North Star mission and purpose, the what, the why, the how, getting hyper committed to an effective time and self-management schedule to get more time back and get more done, and then your physical and psychological performance. The frame you hold, the leadership you have, the body you walk through the world with, the charisma, the aura, the status and respect you've always wanted, and how you lead your life. Because you're at the center. You're at the center of your own life. And if you are lagging, if you're bleeding energy, if you're drifting, then your life will resemble that internal state, external reality. So we need to get your state back in control, brother. We need to get your alignment back in check. We need to get you winning on the highest level. Because what's the cost of not doing it? Another year wasted. Another month looking like the man you don't want to look like. Another year of shying away from the mirror. Another day of low volatile energy. Another night lying in your bed with your partner beside you with all these unfulfilled dreams and desires. Guys, the list can go on. And I felt it, I've been there. And I knew how much it was destroying me. So that's why we have to change it. So the option is you take action, you change your life, you implement the Peak Identity OS, the system that is guaranteed to strip the fat, build the life, become the man, and get your shit back together. Or you continue repeating history, walking on broken glass, just putting plasters on your feet, knowing you could be so much more, but stressing about the outcomes that you can't achieve. Whereas we can actually just install the presence, install the mindset, install the quality of thinking, the strategy, the plan, the system, which will change your life and get you from that good to great place on a consistent basis, guaranteed. Guys, it is on you to be the best you. Otherwise, the problems, the agitation, the stress in which you feel every single day will become your biggest liability. And you are your biggest asset. We've had clients like Alvey. He came in, bang out of shape, making $3K a month in his business. And within 10 months, he was making £35,000 per month, running marathons, lean, chiseled, dialed. Guys like Gordon Belch, elite CEO. He's running a supplement and brain care health company. He'd lost his weight. He was an ex-athlete. He'd done bodybuilding, triathlon, you name it. He'd done it, but he'd lost his physique. 3 months into the program, he looked like a movie star. Dialed, jacked, high performance, got his edge back, left a relationship which wasn't serving him, and got himself into the highest frequency spot possible. Guys like David McIntosh working KPMG 60 hours a week. He left that job, built his body, launched a world-renowned podcast, interviewing some of the best guests in the space, getting payouts of over 100 grand for the work he's now doing from massive companies with his new agency business. Guys, I could continue bombarding you with testimonials and results. You can see all of them, guys. We had guys losing over 100 pounds of body fat in under 12 months. This system is cracked. It is so simple. It is so simple. We don't train 5-6 times a week, three times a week. We follow the RPT system. We get the nutrition flow dialed in. We get the mindset installed for the I am statements, the AM alignment, the PM priming, the Savage productivity blueprint. We get everything pulled together, shrink wrap it, give you the system, give you the thinking, give you the accountability, the standards, and we get you winning and operating like the man you know you've always wanted to be. So the question is on you. Are you willing to take action, or are you willing to waste another day? There's going to be a link below this. Hit it, fill out the quick form. I'll text you on WhatsApp. We'll see what your next best move has to be. If you do qualify, I will invite you for a one-to-one call where we can get clear across the Core 4 system, where you're at, where you want to go, and how we can best get you there. I will see you soon, guys. Much love.